Please do not feed the birds. Well, I guess we're gonna feed the fish then. Come on. I think, is that one? That's one right here. Look. Yeah, there's one right there. Get him. Oh my God. Did he get sharked, bruh? Big bull reds, guys. Be careful. You got it? Get your trans out, bro. Go. Oh my goodness. Ready? All right, guys. Check out these gigantic bull reds that we're catching on the Invincible jigs. Look at that. What a freaking true giant. Look at that. Head first.